So I just want to have a quick word, if you're using 3D pens, about using a mask. Now, none of the 3D pen suppliers suggest that you use a mask when you're doing 3D pen work. But if you're going to do a lot of work, I suggest that you do. And the reason that I do is I believe that the fumes can be very dangerous for your health. So I have a very simple mask here that just has one little piece of wadding, and I intend to change this actually for a piece of wadding that contains charcoal, because I think that's going to be better. You can get some bigger, uglier ones that have side bits on them, or you can just get a single use, or you can use it a few times, but try and get one that's got the charcoal in it so that it can absorb the any toxins in the fumes. As I say, none of the pen manufacturers suggest that you use masks, but having been through a period of ill health myself recently, I'm quite aware of the noxious smells that come off the plastic when you're using the 3D pen. So just to be on the safe side, use a mask.